In front of me is ZTE Axon 11, and let me show you how to activate demo mode on the following device. So first of all, let's open the settings, then find and select System, and here enter developer options. If developer mode is not active, just take a look at our tutorial on how to activate developer option in your ZTE, and then you will be able to unlock it. So once it's unlocked, smoothly enter developer mode, scroll down and click on demo mode. And here you can smoothly enable it by tapping on this switcher, and then if you would like to also show it, click here, and as you can see the difference even in your status bar. Then whenever you would like to turn demo mode off, click here, and that's it. So basically that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.